Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Everyone, rockets are like the most fascinating thing, right? Like some people love cars, some people love planes, but rockets, like everybody loves it. So that is where the inspiration came from. And my background is not aerospace or so. I came from automobile engineering, but everybody loves rockets. So that's how I ended up here. Hi, I'm Dinesh. I work in Agnikul Cosmos as an additive manufacturing engineer. So in Agnikul, we make launch vehicles. So we are targeting the customers who are having the satellites like 5 kg to 100 kg on that range.
Agnikul is a derivative of the Sanskrit word Gurukul. So it can be interpreted as a place where people learn to use fire.
So basically the current problem that is there in the market is like satellites are very small, and small satellites, they take about like a month or so for manufacturing them. But to launch them into orbit, there are only a couple of vehicles that are available, and their payload capacity is like more than 1.5 tons or like more than 2 tons. So these people, they have to wait for like few years to launch, and that is a situation. We are targeting those people because to provide the launch on demand service. So our launch vehicle is having 100 kg payload. So we can target these customers who are having like smaller nanosats and microsats, where we can launch on demand. So, and what we are offering is basically it's a launch on demand vehicle. So we can make the entire vehicle in 2 weeks, so that the customers who are coming for launch, they don't have to wait. That's the ideal goal. And the innovations that we have done here is the stage one is basically modular configuration. So based on the payload, we can reduce the number of engines and launch as per that. By doing so, we can reduce the launch cost. That's a major thing. And we are doing 21st technology manufacturing process in the launch vehicle. So we have like composite technology for our tanks, then we have additive manufacturing technology for making the engines and all the critical parts. So with the help of that, we can able to manufacture an entire engine in 3 to 4 days. Conventionally, if you have to do that, it will take probably around like 5 months or 6 months or so. And we, right from the beginning, we introduced this additive manufacturing technology for this process. So we were able to make our engines in a much faster way, and we were able to scale up the entire process, so that maybe 50 or so launches per year is still possible through this process. So that is what we are offering. And we got patent for manufacturing and design and manufacturing process of our engines. So that is a one huge thing that we have achieved so far. And we are planning for a suborbital launch very soon. So where we will be testing our entire launch vehicle, flight controls, avionics, software and engine. So that will be soon launching from Sriharikota, where we have our own launch pad set up there. That will be the first private launch pad that is set up, and very soon we'll be launching our vehicle from there.
These innovators thought of designing and building product that makes the Earth to space journey as simple, as quick and as affordable as possible.
Because of this launch on demand service, we can make a launch vehicle within 2 weeks. That is the thing. So right now, for any like Earth observation or any kind of situation where demand for any satellite is there, we can able to launch particularly in that area and do it. And this modular configuration is also helping us to launch anywhere. So basically, not only from India, we can take our vehicle anywhere in the country, like any spaceports which are available, we can launch a vehicle from there. By doing so, we are opening the access for space to everyone, and in an affordable way. Because the vehicle is fully modular configuration, so if it's like 5 kg or 10 kg payload, still we can able to launch for them by minimizing the engine. So it's basically like opening space for all. That is a major theme behind what we are doing.
Mentoring support from IIT Madras helped them in their journey forward.
So we are an incubated company in IIT Madras. So right from the beginning, IIT Madras has been providing us a huge support in terms of like development and the using their facilities and getting the expertise from the profs, etc. And we are like funded by private ventures. So we closed couple of rounds of funding, and right now we are looking for next round of funding.
Startups like Agnikul Cosmos are launching our country's progress in full speed and continue to motivate many with their impeccable work.
For the new people, it will be better. They should understand what they are doing, and there should be a lot of passion. If passion is there, everything is achievable. There is nothing called impossible. So they should clearly know what the goals are and try to do every micro steps in the positive way to achieve that goal, and lot with lot of passion though.